Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you 5 vertical gardening ideas which are very cost effective. In fact, 2 of them are completely free. First and the most overlooked vertical gardening space is the shrubs that we already have in our gardens, such as this evergreen on which I grew cucuzzi and snake beans, or this lilac which grew so many bitter gourds for us last year. I just plant the seeds or seedlings next to these large plants and let the climbers go crazy. Total cost of this vertical space is $0. I do this every year and it doesn't seem to affect the shrubs as they grow just fine and healthy. You can check in my shorts video how beautifully this lilac bloomed this year. Second idea is to leave sturdy and tall plants in ground at the end of the season and grow climbers on them next year, such as these okra stems from last season. I planned to grow peas under these, but I ran out of pea seedlings. So now I'm growing broccoli under it, and I will use these as a frame to cover broccoli with row covers to keep cabbage worms out. Cost of this one is of course $0. Third option is this mesh reinforcement wire. I got it from Menards for about $3 each last year. I'm using this one to support my climbing rows, but I have used it as a frame as well to cover my crops in winter. These are very easy to work with and perfect for growing cucumbers, beans, etc. Option number 4 is unusual because it is this espalier support system that I have made, and currently I am training this persimmon and peach tree on it. The peach tree has peaches on it and I am hiding it from squirrels using row covers. But the idea is that I got these large used T-posts from nearby nursery for $3.50 each, and I have this steel chains tied to these T-posts. This steel chain costed me $1 for 20 feet at Restore. You can put a garden mesh on the system and make a great vertical wall with climbers climbing on it. I'm growing this grape on one of this system, but growing tall peas or cucumber under it and letting it grow all across would work wonderfully. Last on my list is these garden arches that I made for just $15 each. I grew peas, beans, cucumbers, cucuzzi, and loofah on it last year. It held wonderfully throughout the year and during winter as well. I have peas growing on it already, and soon beans will follow. I'm putting a link to how to make these garden arches in description, so do check it out. I've also made very cost-effective multitasking tomato cages. I'm linking that video here and in description. Don't forget to check it. Thanks for watching.